everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary. This is my first YouTube video. Me and my husband, we decided to start our own YouTube channel. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Alright, let's get started. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Okay, I am starting cutting the walnuts in small pieces as possible. I like using a big kitchen knife, but you can use whatever you like. If you do use kitchen knives, please be careful not to cut yourself. Next, we will start peeling some apples. I like using sweet apples because it will taste much better in the end. Of course, you can use any kind of apples you want. Personally, I love sweet apples. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can follow up with my new recipes. Nice and crunchy apples they are. Beautiful, the salad we are making today, it calls beetroot salad. Now we will grating the apples, and please make sure to use the one side has big holes. It will look like cheese or tiny French fries. Okay, as soon as you're done grinding, make sure you have a nice big bowl so you can fit everything in there. I'm so excited. I hope you guys will love it. Now we are going to cut the lemon. I love cutting it square so I can squeeze every juice out of the lemon. This is a cutting technique that I love to use. Okay, now squeeze it inside the bowl. Now we will repeat the same process. Grinding beet. It will look like tiny French fries or macaroni. This one we will use the big holes too, like the ones we used for the apples. The reason I'm cutting the rest of them with a knife, it's because you don't want to get too close to the grinder, because you might cut your fingers. So it's always better not to go too close to the grinder, just cut it with a knife. Okay, again, make sure you get every piece inside the bowl. Okay, let's grab 2 garlic. And make sure this time you will use the side that has smaller holes. Finally, we will go to our walnuts. Let's put everything inside the bowl. Now my favorite, pomegranate. Let's cut nicely in 2 pieces. Now start peeling one by one inside a separate bowl. As soon as you're done, we will put it inside the big bowl. Mayonnaise. Sour cream. Black pepper, avocado oil, mix it until the color turns nice and purple. Oh my god, this looks so good. Finally, our salad is ready. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can follow up with my new recipes. Thanks for watching.